Hey, it's Andrew Brown, and we are taking a look at Amazon CodeWhisperer. It's a real-time AI coding companion that will create suggested code while you're writing code. It integrates with the following IDEs: so AWS Glue Studio Notebooks, JetBrains, JupyterLab, SageMaker Studio, Terminal Shell, Command Line, Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio. Amazon CodeWhisperer has two tiers, individual and professional. So let's take a look of the difference. Individual, use the builder ID to connect. With professional, it's the IAM Identity Center. For both of them, they have inline code suggestions, public code filter and reference tracking, command line integration, Amazon Q chat in IDE. You can have 50 users a month with security vulnerability scanning, and for professionals, 500. And then professional has customizations for organizations, organizational license management, organizational policy management, Amazon Q feature development, Amazon Q code transformations. See those asterisks? Those are things that might be taken away in the future. I don't know, but currently they say that these are available. Is the service any good? Not really. Every time I use it, it just doesn't give me code, and I find it very frustrating. I find every other competitor a lot better. Maybe they'll improve this in the future, but right now it's not good. Maybe it's because the individual one is the free tier one, and they're just kind of hoovering data to make it better. But right now, I don't like it.